Is your car's AC struggling to survive the summer? Cranked all the way to cold, and still feels like you're getting hit with dragon breath? Don't sweat it. Literally. Today, I'm going to show you 5 pro-level secrets to make your car's AC blow ice cold, just like the day you drove it off the lot. These are tips most drivers never hear about, but they'll save you time, money, and sweaty shirts. And secret number 4? It's one you've probably never cleaned before, but it could change everything. Let's get into it. Secret 1. The cabin air filter. If the air feels weak or weird, it might not be your AC. It could just be a clogged cabin air filter. Over time, this little guy fills up with dust, pollen, and debris, suffocating your system. The fix? A $15 filter and 5 minutes of your time. Pro tip: replace it once a year or every 12,000 miles. That one move can bring your airflow back to full power. Secret 2. Recirculation mode. You ever push that button with the little loop arrow and wonder what it does? That's the recirculation button, and it's pure AC magic. Instead of dragging in hot, humid air from outside, it reuses the cooler air already inside your cabin. More cold, less effort. Always turn it on first. Secret 3. Park smart. Parking in direct sun turns your car into a literal oven. Use windshield sunshades or find some shade. It can drop cabin temps by up to 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Bonus: it protects your dash from cracking too. Secret 4. Insulate your AC lines. Old hoses can leak cold or worse, absorb heat from the engine bay. Ask your mechanic to check them. If they're worn or unwrapped, adding thermal insulation tape can make a surprising difference, especially in hot climates. Secret 5. Refrigerant recharge. If your AC's blowing coolish, not cold, the refrigerant might be low. Even tiny leaks make a big impact. A pro can test and top it off in minutes. But whatever you do, don't guess and overcharge it yourself. That can wreck your system. I'll show you the signs of low refrigerant in an upcoming episode, so hit subscribe so you don't miss it. You're protecting your car, saving cash, and outsmarting summer itself. If this helped you out, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for more smart car hacks that keep you in control and out of the repair shop. Stay cool, stay confident. This is Auto Repair, Automobile Wrench. See you next time.